So guys, we had a question a little while ago regards our motorhome blinds, and we've been putting this little job off. We're waiting to waiting for it to occur really. So it's actually occurred in quite an extreme. I've been leaving this one to make an extreme example of it. Over a period of time, we get this situation where the fly screen comes out of the little runner on the main blind, so you end up with this kind of like gap in between all the way along for mosquitoes to find their way into your motorhome. So yeah, this is a perfect example. Now we're probably look, you can see, and it just literally gets worse. Well, it's got to the extreme example because it's not gonna, on the ends it's actually still in the runner, but all the way along this window blind is a huge gap now, so it's basically a waste of time having this fly screen on there. So we're going to show you, I'm going to show you the method I use to get it back in without too much aggravation. A lot of people are saying, like, do you need to take the whole blind away? And yeah, well, you can take the whole blind away, but I've got a little technique that I use, and I'm just going to demonstrate, try and make it fairly easy. I'm not saying it's the easiest job on the planet, but it's not too bad with my special little gadget. So the first thing to actually do is detach the blind, let it up like that, get that one out of the way, so then you've got a bit of room to play with. The only thing is now it's keeping this, you need to almost hold this to get tension down onto the top on this fly screen. So the way I do it, yeah, so what I do is just pull the blind down like that. I've got one of my little Silway nano pads, and then I can put the magnet onto the pad, and then this multi-purpose hook. This is what I've just utilised to do it actually. So I'm just trying to think. So it clips there and it just hoses it down. So now I can work. Obviously, if you've got someone to help you, they could hold it in that position, or maybe just put a small clamp on here to hold it in position somehow. But this is what I use. So now I can get hold of the blind and actually pull it down, and then I can get that little bit of slack that I need to get it back in its profile. So now the little gadgety tool that I use is out of a tyre, a push bike tyre repair kit. So it's a lovely little angled shaped bit of plastic with no sharp edges on it to actually tear your or cut in any way your blind, your like fly net. So it's a lovely little angled piece that you can just use to run along to get that back in its profile. So what you've got to do is just pull the blind down, get a little bit of slack on it, and then just run your little tool in the back. Just working your way along with the tool, just keeping that net gradually working along. You get the action, and it just falls in, it just falls right in there. Just that last little run along the other end. There he goes. There he goes. That's it. It's in. Lovely. There he goes. That's lovely. So I can just unhook my little helper like that, and there we have it. I'll just take that one off the glass. Comes in handy. But yeah, there we go. Back on. Clip onto the blind, and now we haven't got it's back in its little recess all the way along. So that's my little quick fix on that, if you've come across that problem and fancy taking it on. So don't need to worry about taking out the whole blind, just get your little tool. Got myself armed up with some little antibacterial cleaning wipes as well, which I was just going to have a little wipe round the blinds while I'm here. Surprising how much dirt you get around these blinds. Just take that back up, just have a little wipe around. Surprising, this will be getting really black. Look at that, just from around the window. But when we've been down in some by them beaches, dust, airborne particles flying around, so it's just nice to keep all your seals around the window super duper condition. Have a little go around the seal. Just get rid of all that summer grime. That's what we wanted to do. That's lovely, super condition. Just my little finisher tonight, a little bit of Mr. Sheen, and I'm just going to take it around a little bit of that right there. Nice bit of furniture polish, just to freshen things up around the window. Look at that, lovely. Nice cloth there, have a quick rub around. God, it smells good. God, it smells so nice. It smells fresh. Just to get that little last bit of dust off, and just give it that last finish in. No fingerprints. Joff's got dirty, mainly most of the time Joff's got dirty fingers, so Joff normally leaves dirty fingerprints around wherever he touches on, especially on glass. But let's look. So there we go, guys, that's just about wrapping it up for tonight's little video of that little hack for the fly screen, and hope you've enjoyed it. And obviously if you've got the same issue, give it a try, let us know how you get on, and we appreciate, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscription. You know us, we're always endeavouring to bring you more videos on little hacks, repairs to your motorhome, little things that we do. So yeah, appreciate your support, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you soon. Cheers, bye.